Welcome back to another video. Thank you for stopping by. So today's video is not really a good video. Yesterday my car actually started making a noise. I'm gonna go ahead and try and insert a clip because I did record a video on my phone. That way you guys can get an idea of what happened. But yeah, let's go see if it was maybe hopefully just momentarily and it stopped. Oh, it's really cold. What does it say? It says 23 degrees. Yeah, it's really cool. And it's actually starting to snow again, so that sucks. So let me just turn on my car real quick and see what happens. Go ahead and turn it on. So far so good. I don't hear anything. Okay, as you guys saw, yeah, we almost crashed. When I tell my family that every time I drive, people are usually out to get me, like they don't believe me. They think that I'm actually kidding or something, but I'm really not. Like, people are always trying to hit me. I shouldn't be laughing, but yeah, it's kind of, I'm not laughing because it's hilarious. I'm laughing because, or out of humor, I'm laughing because it's really frustrating. But yeah, the car actually isn't making a loud noise anymore, so that's pretty good. Like I said, I'm happy for this, but like I said, now I'm more curious to what it was, because I have a video where it was making that noise, but now it's not making it. So now I'm more like, what's going on? But yeah, I'm just really happy it's not making that noise anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and put that clip of me driving yesterday around 1 p.m. when it started making that noise. But yeah, it looks like it's pretty much good to go. Hopefully we don't have any more issues. But yeah, so far so good. I'm still gonna call the mechanics and tell them that the car was making that noise. That way, you know, if anything does happen, it's documented. So far so good. I haven't heard a single noise, so I'm happy about that. All right guys, so we pretty much made it back already. That was a little trip. Just wanted to make sure that my car wasn't making that noise. If you guys by any chance know what that noise is and could help me out, I would really appreciate it if you guys would leave a comment down below in the comment section detailing, you know, what could be one of the possibilities for that issue. But yeah, so I actually went on a little trip. I got my coffee, so that way, because I'm addicted to coffee, that way I'm good to go for the rest of the day. Thank you for stopping by. I'm still gonna call the mechanic and I'm taking it in, see what's going on, and hopefully it's nothing serious. But yeah, we're back home. Thank you for watching another video. If you guys want to, feel free to like the video, feel free to subscribe, and I would really appreciate that. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.